Okay, so it's 4 a.m. right now, November 3rd, 1988. Everyone's still asleep. They have no idea what's about to happen. Out there right now, 80 mercenaries on hijacked boats. They're coming. I know how this ends. I know what happens. But standing here, it's different. They're landing right now. Their SATCOM, you know, their communication thing, it's gonna fall in the water any second. And that's when everything just falls apart. There, it just dropped. They can't communicate now. They can't call it off. I can see them. They're trying to stay quiet, but... Oh God. NSS officer, on the road. They're gonna run right into each other. Whoa, that was... Someone's gun just went off. They completely panicked. It's happening. It's actually happening. 4:20 in the morning and they just blew it. The whole surprise is gone. I need to get to that gate right now. Shelter. He's there. 20 years old. By the way, my name is Maya. I'm from 2026. I traveled back to 1988 to witness this. That shelter back there, where Hussein Adam is, that's a rain shelter. Sentinel post. It wasn't built for this. Not for combat. He's completely isolated. The gate's jammed behind him, RPG damage. Can't get back inside even if he wanted to. But he doesn't want to. He chose to stay out there. Standard guard issue, that's all he has. When those rounds run out, there's nothing anyone can do to save him. One man holding off all the mercenaries, making every round count, buying them time inside. That's your first defender. They're asking if he's okay. I can hear them yelling. He just shouted back, "I'm okay!" God. I'm across the street, Sultan Park, southwest corner of NSS. The main gate's getting hit hard, but they're trying something else. Four of them. At the wall. They're attaching explosives. They're all backing up. One of them is ready on a detonator. They blew it! Huge hole in the southwest wall. Immediate fire from inside. The defenders are hitting that hole hard. They can't get through. They're falling back. Even with a hole blown in the wall, they held it. That's impressive work, NSS. They couldn't breach it. Look, guys. Look at this. I'm outside the president's residence. And you see who that is? That's NASA, right there, with mercenaries. He doesn't know. Gayoom's already gone, left with his family. But he's just standing there, other side of the street, like he's waiting for them to come out or something. The mercenaries, you can tell they're getting impatient. Okay, something's about to happen. I'm waiting for Corporal Ibrahim Didi. He's got the armory keys. He's coming through those houses on the right, jumping from wall to wall, avoiding the mercenaries. He already has the keys. Now he just needs to get them over the wall to NSS. If he can't make it, they won't have the heavy weapons. They won't have the ammunition. Everything depends on this. I really hope I catch this moment. This is what real courage looks like. I got invited to tea by this lovely lady. Thank you so much for having me.
Welcome.
So I was just telling her something that completely blew her mind. 4 months before this attack, Abdul Majid Khalid went straight to the Deputy Defence Minister and said, "Look, Luthufee's planning a coup." And reports say they did take some steps. They reinforced NSS. Extra guns, more guards, new defensive positions. But did ordinary people notice any of that? No. What they noticed was NSS stopping them over bicycle lamps, sending people home at midnight because apparently they should be sleeping. But here's the brilliant part. The armory keys? The keys to all the weapons and ammo you'd need to defend yourself? Still kept at the Deputy Minister's home, while he slept. So when the attack happened, someone had to run through streets full of armed mercenaries, jumping over walls, dodging gunfire, just to bring those keys back. Because apparently, someone at the top didn't trust the soldiers enough to keep the armory keys at NSS headquarters. By the end of today, 19 people are going to die. Brilliant security planning. Just brilliant.
US fighter jet from Diego Garcia.
This is when Farouk and Ravan realise they've failed. They're planning retreat. Vasanthi, their commander, is already killed in the first wave of defence. The president's safe now. He's making phone calls, desperate calls. He's made phone calls. Sorry, just a curious onlooker. Okay, where was I? The president's somewhere safe, making calls. Desperate calls. United States, Britain, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Malaysia. He's asking everyone for help. But India's the one moving. Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. He just authorised Operation Cactus. Indian military's coming. These mercenaries have no idea what's about to hit them.
Okay, this area is extremely dangerous right now.
One of the most important missions of the day is about to happen. Lieutenant Musa Jalil, 11 volunteers. They're about to exit through the police office side gate on a reconnaissance patrol. The defenders inside can't see where the attacks are coming from. So someone has to go out there and map enemy positions. 3 of them won't come back. But they're volunteering anyway. Walking out into this. To get intelligence, the rest need to survive. That takes... I can't even imagine that kind of courage. Just came out of the police office gate. Canary Hingung, the street right there. Heavy fire the moment they tried to cross. 3 dead. 3 dead. Hassan, Nakano, Shady. Just like that. And the rest? They're not stopping. They're not retreating. Lieutenant Jalil just rallied them. Made it to the Huravi building. Now they're crossing to the Friday Mosque to map enemy positions. Jalil's wounded. Shrapnel wound to his left knee and feet. Doesn't show it. Moves like he's fine. Resolved. Strong. Leading. On their way back, defenders on the 3rd floor of the police building almost shot them. Didn't recognise their own patrol coming in. Jalil had to yell, "Don't shoot!" Held fire. Just barely. Oh my god. That's Luthufee. He hijacked an ambulance. Hospital ambulance. Using it to move his gunmen around. Okay, so you hear that? That's the Zikra Mosque PA system. That's Nasiru. He hijacked it. He's telling people they're not here to harm Maldivians. It's propaganda, guys. They're literally lying while people are dying. Using the mosque to spread their lies. Okay, so it's around 10 p.m. now, guys. 2 massive things happening at the same time. The 50th Independent Parachute Brigade, 6 Para, Indian Army, they're landing right now. They're here. But at the exact same time, Luthufee and his mercenaries are escaping on the Progress Light. That's the cargo ship they hijacked. They've got 27 hostages with them, including Transport Minister Mujuthaba. So I know the Indian Navy's going to intercept them. That's coming. But here's the thing, guys. 6 of those hostages are going to die. 6. During the chase and the attack. That's what happens. Okay, so, November 6th, guys. I'm at the National Stadium right now. There's an Indian Navy helicopter landing here any minute. They're picking up NSS officers to take them out to the Godavari. That's the warship that's been trying to get Luthufee to surrender for 2 days now. He's not budging. Negotiations failed. So now they're attacking. And I'm trying to get on that helicopter. I really want to see what happens out there. yesterday, Luthufee ordered his mercenaries to kill 2 hostages, trying to scare the Indian Navy. Abdullah Adam, he was a watchman at the Islamic Center, and Ahmed Labib, shopkeeper. Both of them had 5 kids. They shot one in the head, stabbed the other one, threw them both into the ocean. There's still like 25 people left on that ship. I can see it. November 8th. They're bringing Luthufee and Nasir back to Malé. People are gathered here outside NSS to see them brought in. It's finally over. That's it. That's the story of November 3rd. I'm Maya, signing off. What? What is happening?
Ilahi mi bin kurabaşiyaman mi allage ufan divehim gemi bin tiba hazratum o hey madadum filanu meda divehim gemi bin Ilahi mi bin kurabaşiyaman Tiba hazratum, oh hey madadum, filanu medadi vehingenidim. Mitage vaya, mitage fena. Mitage kada ekaguge oya gata udares mirupuge fana mita mialage bulifawa gudurtuge ilahi ni umatuga abaduge abadadilemu diremu Tiba hazratum, oh hey madadum, filanu medadi vehingemi bin. Tiba hazratum, oh hey madadum, filanu